down one of the best banana nut bread recipes. Want to know how to make it? Let's go.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by RachelT, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
All right, cozy friends. So I got this recipe off of TikTok. And if you go to the search and just put in Bill's banana bread, you will find it. But I'm gonna pull it up so you'll see what the video looks like. So you just type in Bill's banana bread, and when you type that in, I think her name is Cheese Gal. She'll show up. And it's on Cheese Gal Courtney's page. So I found that recipe, I think in last year, probably early last year, and I made it, and it was delicious, absolutely delicious. I have tried quite a few banana nut bread recipes. This one was by far the best one that I have tried. So go check that out. So let's start. So first thing we want to do is we want to preheat the oven to 325. So let's go do that. All right, so we got the oven heated to 325. So it says lightly butter and flour the pan. I just took some butter and put it on a paper towel like my mama used to do. A little butter up here too, just in case, but I doubt if it overflows up here, but you never know. But my mom used to use Crisco. All right, now we'll put some flour in here. All right, so we got the pan ready. Set that off to the side. Next thing we want to do is sift together the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt in a bowl. So we want to put the flour, and the cinnamon, the baking soda, and the salt. So I had to use my blue salt. So because I'm using blue salt versus kosher salt, I had to use 1 1/4 teaspoon of blue salt. But the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon. All right. And we'll sift this all together. All right, so all that's nice and sifted. Set that to the side. Next, we're going to do with a stand mixer or a hand mixer, fitted with the whip attachment, beat together the sugar and eggs on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to the stand mixer and mix that together with our room temperature eggs. Thank you, Fifi Delight. I appreciate you. Taught me something, girl. Love you. All right, so let's go ahead and add our sugar in there. We got, how much is this? This is 1/2 cup of brown sugar plus 2 tablespoons. And then this is 1/2 cup of white sugar. And the eggs. The oven's ready, that's good. All right, let's beat. All right, we're gonna beat this for about 5 minutes, and I have it on 6. Y'all, I have the people that are here to do the warranty repairs at the house. So they're in the front and the back of the house. So if you hear a bunch of noise, that's them. Alright, we got about 2 minutes left. Messy boots. That is what behind the scenes of content creating is called. Messy boots. Alright, I think we're ready. Okay, so the next step is to put it on low. Yeah, put it on low, and then add in the avocado oil slowly. And the recipe says you want to add it in slowly, so you want to keep all the air you just beat into the mixture. So now we're going to add in our wet ingredients, the bananas, the sour cream. I'm using creme fraiche because it says you can use creme fraiche, and vanilla. And then we're going to continue to mix it on low until it's all combined. So let's add the bananas. I used 3 bananas for this, which called for 1.5 cup. Add that in there. Oh, I gotta get my smoothie out there. Okay, next is the vanilla extract. And last is the creme fraiche. All right. Cut this off. Go ahead and lift this up, and then now we're gonna add in the flour. I'm gonna fold the flour in. All right, let's stir it. Get it mixed up. This looks like it's a lot of steps, but the recipe lays it out really good. And like I said, this is so good. So good. All right. Mix in 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Well, if the workers are still here, they sure can get a piece of bread. If I tell them, they'll probably stick around so they can eat some. All right, next pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and sprinkle the rest of the walnuts on top of the loaf. All right, let's pour it on in the pan. Walnuts on top. All right, that's what it looks like. And let's put it in the oven for 50 to 55 minutes. All right, cozy friends, here we go. There is your banana nut bread. It's so delicious. Please try the recipe. I think you will absolutely love it. Okay, friends, I done forgot we was filming. We done already tore into this. But I just wanted to show you. It's so good. So good. How delicious and moist it is. It's absolutely delicious. Try this recipe. I guarantee you will love it. So good.